Bharat Starch. Established in the year 2016, Bharat Starch is engaged in manufacturing and supplying an array of modified starches, adhesive, and other derivatives. We have production capacity of 10,000 TPA. We believe that quality is only way to win hearts of customers, and we provide it. To maintain consistency in quality, we have a state-of-the-art processing unit equipped with modern production plant. Key factors behind our success story are: we are well connected with broad national highway networks, railway and air transports, the major ports like Kandla and Mundra. We also keep pace with the rapidly changing modern technology, so we are equipped with high-tech quality testing laboratory to test all our products. We are serving more than 44 countries such as South Asia, Europe, Middle East, South Africa and others. Our products are majorly used in paper industry, corrugated box industry, paper tube industry and paper converter industry, foundry, abrasive and textiles industry and many more industries. We introduced our flagship brand, Bharat Biochem, in 2021 to lay more emphasis on developing improved products for various applications. Bharat Group, leading manufacturer of starch in India. Bharat Starch, Bharat Biochem.